Did you read the principal's newsletter? Did you read the principal's newsletter that was done to you at the close of the year?
Mr. Apudo.
No,
Mr. Apudo.
Tell me, did you read the newsletter?
Mr. Apudo, I'm not student. I'm not a student. I'm not a student.
I'm not your fucking wife. I'm not your wife. I'm not your wife.
Mr. Apudo, talk to me like a parent.
I know you are a parent and address me as a teacher. If you think you are a parent, right? You can be agitated. Then me, because I'm a teacher, I just sit there looking at you, abusing me.
How have I abused you? And
you
who abused me? How have I abused you?
Down the wall because of you. You've never come to school when parents are called to come to school. 3 reminders were done to you. 3.
You are done by who?
Asking you to come to school. The first reminder was the postponement from 17th to 24th. Another one was done reminding you, please parent come. Another one, ask any other parent. Parents were asked to come to school 3 times. On that part.
Through what?
Through messages. From Rangala Zeraki with the letterhead of Rangala boy.
Right now I'm telling you, I've not received even result for my boy. How have you reacted to that?
I don't want to know because other parents have received their student, their boys' results.
But which number did you why actually do you abuse me?
Should I be removing your underpants to know what you have? Don't address me well. You have to address me well. Don't think that because I'm a teacher, you can be agitated, then me, I don't become agitated. The other time you abused us. You even call yourself Japap. You are a bad influence. You call yourself Japap in that wall.
So?
That's bad influence. You are silly from the name itself. You call yourself Japap, 1, in our class wall. 2, you've never talked about anything positive. Even the school posted positive results. You never mentioned anything on that. Now you are waiting today. I want to tell you that even your son is very brilliant, but because of your poor behavior, the boy knows. Because maybe you talk negatively about teachers. That boy is never free with any of us. We go to class, ask any teacher. His head is always bowed because of your bad behavior. In that class, I've got very weak boys whose parents know that they're weak. They try to talk to me. I've helped them. They're improving slowly. Then you are there inciting parents because of, and you say that I'm rude and everything. Now, should I be licking your ass? If you come to school, I'll tell you the same things that I'm telling you. You are telling me that I'm a nobody.
Mr. Apudo.
No, I don't like you. I don't
but
like
why
you.
Should I like you? Why should I like you? Are you my wife?
I don't like you.
But are you? Why should you? Why should you, Mr. Apudo?
Because
what actually? Why should I like you?
I should not like you because you are an asshole. I don't like assholes. Huh? You have got a very small brain, a tin pot of a brain. You have got a tin pot of a brain, and because you can access free data, you have got some smartphone, and you know how to type. You can just write anything about me, about the school administration. Did you call me even yesterday asking me if we are going to get results? You sent me fare very late. Very late.
So what? I
accommodated you. Because people get money at different times. I accommodated you. I gave that boy. In fact, I gave him that money.
So what? Was that favor you did? Now you feel like if there is anything wrong, I should not comment.
You are stupid. You are irresponsible. It was a favor because of your irresponsibility. You sent me money at 7. After having called you 3 times, your phone was off. You only put it on to abuse me.
Apudo? So what?
You are stupid. I want you to style up. I want you to improve on your behavior. I'll teach your boy. I won't tell him anything, but you'll come to school. I'll still tell you that you are an asshole, that you are stupid. You need to improve. You call yourself Japap. You are a wall in a community of 64 people where you call yourself Japap.
Are you agitated with my name, Apudo?
I'm agitated with your name, 1. Even the principal is agitated with your name. Let me tell you that. Secondly, I'm not happy with how you handle our class wall. And you think, if I'm a teacher,
you can close it down if you so wish. You can close it down if you so wish. It's the other time you got
I don't want to close it down because of one foolish head, one foolish brain.
So Apudo, you are so bright.
I don't know. I'm stupid. That's why I'm calling you stupid. I'm stupid. That's why I know people who belong with me in the same community of fools. You are a fool. You are a fool.
All right.
You are a fool. You can write to TSC and tell TSC that I say that you are a fool.
Thank
you.
You
don't pay me. I'm not paid by fools like you. You
Thank
don't pay me.
Thank you.
And there you are, inciting people.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You are the parents whose children disturb people in school.
Thank you.
Even a long time ago when boys were rioting, parents, boys of parents like you, were the ones who were rioting and disturbing the school because you talk negatively.
It's fine, Mr. Apudo. You will tell me what my child